Hello everyone, I'm Nirav Khatri and I joined Dr.Reddy's in 2020, taking on the responsibility to lead the development of complex generic products. Since then, my journey has been dedicated to delivering complex products across multiple geographies for Dr. Reddy. As a scientist, by principle, I embody the purpose of good health can't wait by utilizing my scientific expertise to address unmet clinical needs. Creating a product is not enough. It must be accessible to those in need. And as a company, one of our key strategy of ensuring affordability is our emphasis on being the first to market. Now, first to market means being the first generic on day one, which means high quality, affordable treatment for far more patients than was previously possible. And so to me, 40 years of Dr. Reddy's and its emphasis on first to market is exemplified by one of the anti-cancer complex injectable product that is azacitidine injection. I'll give you some brief about azacitidine. Azacitidine being for cancer treatment stands as a complex product with a high entry barrier, especially in the markets governed by the world's most stringent regulatory standard. To brief about the product, it is a bioequivalent generic version of the Vidaza, which is the azacitidine for injectable suspension, and which was approved back in 2003 and had been the standard treatment for high-risk myelodysplastic syndrome, which is one type of blood cancer, for the last 2 decades. The journey of Dr. Reddy towards the first to market approval of generic azacitidine from the USFDA on 2013 marked a significant milestone. However, securing the first to market foothold for azacitidine posed a formidable challenge, requiring the implementation of a uniquely advanced technical solution alongside a fast-track, scalable, and robust strategic manufacturing approach. Back then, the product presented manufacturing challenges, which was making it difficult to scale up due to chemical degradation during manufacturing within a short time frame, which significantly limited its scalability and on-shelf stability. And hence, manufacturing the product was always a race against the time. Now, DRL team addressed the issue by doing comprehensive studies to precisely understand product sensitivity against time and temperature and build a robust process which can be implemented at commercial scale to cater higher market demand. Besides manufacturing issues, overcoming the stringent regulatory requirements for product sameness against innovator products, particularly for suspension products like azacitidine, posed another hurdle. Regulatory agencies typically do not provide biowaiver for suspension products. However, DRL team devised an in-depth characterization plan to demonstrate the in vitro equivalency against the innovator product. And then this approach facilitated in designing the scientifically sound data package submitted to the regulatory agencies to convince on biowaiver, which finally got approval by FDA in 2013. The legacy established by the USFDA approval continued to resonate in other markets as well, resulting in approval in Canada, again a first to market, followed by approval in Europe, and most recently, first to market in one of the most stringent regulatory countries, that is the Japan. This journey exemplifies our commitment to overcoming challenges, pushing boundaries, and delivering innovative solutions to make a meaningful impact in pharmaceutical landscape. Being the first generic on day one also entails the seamless and agile integration of research and development, manufacturing, regulatory affairs, supply chain, commercial, marketing, and financial resources. It's a testament to our unwavering and dedication to patient service, harmonized with execution excellence, a true embodiment of what 40 years of Dr. Reddy's represents. The development of such complex products necessitates flexibility and freedom. The quality is nurtured at Dr. Reddy. This atmosphere not only sparks inspiration within me, but also ignites the passion of our entire team at Dr. Reddy's, propelling us to deliver our utmost. Dr. Reddy's has consistently demonstrated eagerness and zeal in delivering of challenging products into the market, ensuring the public has early access to affordable medicines, which is aligning with its philosophy that good health can't wait. I'm proud in saying that over the past 40 years, Dr. Reddy has wholeheartedly upheld this philosophy and is delivering on its commitment to advancing healthcare ecosystem.